This is Wick Primary School's new rainwater collecting planter. We're harnessing all of the natural resources so that we don't have to use the hose in this area anymore. So we're gathering all the rainwater that will hopefully prevent flooding in the local area, also increasing the biodiversity of this area that used to just be a tarmac place with nothing else living in it. So we've tried to kind of create a more natural environment here.
The main reason for using it is to basically slow the flow of water. We've seen some lovely rainwater today. The rainwater feeds in off the roof through this nice watering can feature into the planter, and that's stored in the base of the planter below the soil. So when you get a heavy rainfall, it takes about 2 hours for the water to drain down rather than it all rushing into the system at once. But the kids have been very interested in watching the installation today, and hopefully this is going to present them with lots of new biodiversity in the school. There's quite a bit of greenery around here already, but this is a whole new area of biodiversity, and in the summer they'll be able to see bugs and butterflies, this sort of thing. And it's a great way of educating the kids about these sort of things, to get their hands in there and see what's going on.
What do you think of the planter, guys?
Great.
It's great.